Hello everyone, welcome to yet another informative video from Simplilearn. If you are aiming to elevate your career in project management, you are in the right place. The Project Management Professional or PMP certification offered by the Project Management Institute is a globally recognized credential that validates your skills and expertise in managing projects. To highlight its importance, let's look at Jane, a project manager who skyrocketed her career after earning her PMP. Before earning her PMP, Jane struggled with leading complex projects and effective stakeholder communication. Now, after obtaining her PMP certification, Jane's understanding of project management principles deepened, leading to improved project outcomes, higher team morale, and a significant boost in her career prospects. With the certification, she not only secured a senior position at a leading tech firm, but also led a $10 million project to success, improving efficiency by 25%. Her story demonstrates how the PMP can open doors to new opportunities and significantly enhance your project management capabilities. So in this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about passing the PMP exam. We'll start by discussing what PMP is and who should consider it, followed by the eligibility and application process, the exam structure and its duration. We'll also explore essential resources and the right mindset for tackling this challenging exam. Plus, we'll share some valuable tips and tricks to help you succeed. Stay tuned as we guide you on your journey to become a certified PMP. So, let's get started.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
So, the PMP certification acknowledges project managers who have demonstrated their skills in managing people, processes, and business priorities in professional projects. It's essentially a mark of excellence and leadership in project management. So, before you can apply for the PMP exam, you need to make sure you meet certain criteria. So, it's like a checklist to confirm that you have the right background to take on the exam. So, let's look at what you need to qualify. So, there are two main sets of criteria based on your educational background. Let's break them down. Now, if you have a 4-year college or university degree, you need to meet these requirements. You need 36 months of experience leading projects in the past 8 years and 35 hours of project management education or training, or you need to have a CAPM certification. Now, if you only have a high school diploma or secondary school diploma, here's what you need. 60 months of experience leading projects in the past 8 years and 35 hours of project management education or training, or a CAPM certification. So first, you'll need to gather information about your experience and training. So here's what you'll need to document. Number 1, projects you have led, like where did you work, what was your role and what were your responsibilities, and how long did the projects last. And second, training you have completed, which must include which institutes did you attend, what courses did you complete, how many qualifying hours of project management training do you have, and so on. So make sure to have all these details ready to go for your application. So once you've gathered all your information, it's time to complete and submit your PMP application. So here's a quick overview of the process. So start by setting up your PMI account. You can do this now or wait until you are ready to apply. So take your time with the application because it's a save as you go process. So you can take breaks if you need to. Now, before you begin, you must make sure that you have registered for a PMI.org user account. So having known all that, now let's move on to how the PMP exam will look like. So you'll need to pass a rigorous exam consisting of 180 questions and you'll have 230 minutes, which is just a little over 3 hours and 45 minutes to complete the entire test. So that's a lot of questions. So managing your time effectively is key. Now, this isn't just any test though. It's designed by experienced project leaders to reflect real-life scenarios you'll face on the job. Now, the exam is also available in multiple languages, including Arabic, Chinese, English, French, German, Hebrew, etc. So this ensures that project managers from around the world can take the exam in their preferred language. Now, what does the PMP certification actually validate? Let's break that down now. So number 1, motivating people and teams. You'll learn how to inspire and guide your team through every phase of a project, ensuring everyone stays on track and motivated. Number 2, using various approaches. You'll be skilled in predictive, agile, and hybrid methodologies. This means you'll know how to choose the best way to work for each unique project. Number 3, highlighting project success. You'll be able to demonstrate the success of your projects and show how they contribute to the strategic goals of your organization. So, now having known all this, where do you actually study for the PMP exam? So, some of the resources you can consider is Andrew Ramdale's YouTube channel. So, as you can see, on his channel, you'll find a treasure trove of content, including PMP exam tips, detailed explanations of key concepts, and live Q&A sessions. His videos are engaging and packed with valuable information that can help you prepare effectively for your PMP exam. Now next, PMBOK Guide. So the Project Management Body of Knowledge, or PMBOK Guide, is an official handbook for the PMP exam, published by the Project Management Institute. So it's packed with all the essential knowledge you need about project management processes and practices. Now next are PMP Exam Prep books. So some of the books that you can refer is PMP Exam Prep by Rita, the PMP Exam How to Pass on Your First Try by Andy Crow, Head First PMP by Jennifer Green and Andrew Stellman. Now next is online courses. So online courses are another great way to prepare for the PMP exam. These courses offer video lectures, practice exams, and interactive content. So you can check out Simplilearn's PMP certification training designed for project managers across industries. This comprehensive program equips you with the skills and knowledge required to excel in project management. So dive into key concepts, methodologies, and best practices, and you can get hands-on experience with real-world projects. And our expert instructors will guide you through the PMBOK guide, preparing you to ace the PMP exam and achieve certification. So join thousands of professionals who have transformed their careers with Simplilearn. You can enroll today and take the first step towards becoming a certified project management professional. Now the next is practice exams. Now practice exams are crucial for getting a feel for the actual exam. They help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and get used to the exam format. So you can try out PMI's official practice exam. So the PMI website offers an official practice exam that's a great way to experience the test environment and question types. Now, you can also consider Simplilearn's free practice exam. So the Simplilearn's practice test is free and based on PMBOK guide. It includes around 200 multiple choice questions. So that was a complete overview of the PMP exam. Now let's see some of the tips that you can keep in mind while preparing and writing the exam. So understand the exam content outline. So first, make sure you're familiar with the PMP exam content outline. This document breaks down the exam into domains, tasks, and enablers. So understanding this outline helps you focus on what's really important for the exam. Focus on the 5 domains like people, process, business, environment. Make sure you know the tasks and enablers for each domain. Now, practice, practice, and practice. One of the most important tips is to practice as much as you can. Taking practice exams helps you get familiar with the question format and identify weak areas. Use flashcards for key terms. So flashcards are a fantastic tool for memorizing key terms and concepts. Then focus on the most common concepts. So some concepts appear more frequently on the exam than others. So focus on these high impact topics. So key concepts include the 5 process groups, 49 processes, knowledge areas, and formulas. So make sure you're comfortable with these areas. And then understand the agile and traditional frameworks. So the PMP exam tests both agile and traditional project management approaches. So understand the principles of agile as well as the traditional PM methodologies. Review the Agile Manifesto, Scrum framework, and how agile practices integrate with traditional PMP processes. Now, while writing the exam, read questions carefully. So during the exam, read each question carefully. Make sure you understand what's being asked before you jump to an answer. Now, manage your time wisely. So time management is crucial for such exams. You have 230 minutes for 180 questions, which means you should aim for around 1.5 minutes per question and then eliminate wrong answers. So if you're unsure about a question, what you can do is use the process of elimination to narrow down your choices. So that's a wrap on our tips for passing the PMP certification exam. I really hope you found these insights helpful and that they boost your confidence as you prepare. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.